Welcome back to NeuroVerse, decoding the signals of our digital future today. Imagine a world where robots walk among us, seamlessly blending into daily life. Robots using computers signal an era of advanced artificial intelligence and integration. Focused eyes of AI represent the growing sophistication of machine perception. From factories to homes, robots work efficiently, reshaping productivity standards. Drones have redefined logistics, offering rapid and autonomous delivery solutions. Data flows continuously, creating an interconnected world beyond our imagination. Our bodies and technology are merging, with data flowing through biological systems. High-tech screens are the windows to a future driven by machines. The AI brain is the powerhouse of digital innovation and learning. Branches of data flow highlight the complexity of modern information networks. In the data sphere, AI makes sense of vast information landscapes. Matrix-style data flow is the backbone of AI operations and decisions. AI brain creation is a careful balance of algorithms and hardware. Video cards power the AI adversaries, fueling intense computational tasks. Creating these cards involves miniaturization and unprecedented processing capacity. Robots mount processors, representing a fusion of hardware agility and power. The internal workings of a PC demonstrate innovation in hardware configuration. Data flows rapidly within video cards, essential for AI and gaming alike. Data shields ensure secure processing, a necessary feature in today's world. Data flows on screens reveal the dynamic nature of information management. Digital padlocks symbolize the importance of security in AI advancements. Intertwining data streams reflect the complexity of AI algorithms in action. Vast server rooms store the data that drives this digital revolution. Server rooms are the heart of computing, vast yet intricate systems. Working video cards highlight the ceaseless demand for efficient processing. Server rooms with data flow look like futuristic control centers of tech. Neuron-style data flow captures the essence of AI's digital thought processes. Digital data flowing through the brain provides insights into cognitive computing. Neural connections within the brain reveal the pathways of digital intelligence. Galaxy-like neural connections illustrate the vast potential of AI networks. Data-style neural connections form the basis for advanced learning frameworks. Digital screens with AI reflect human fascination with synthetic minds. Screens showing the planet emphasize the global impact of AI tech. Stock exchange screens exhibit AI's influence on financial markets worldwide. AI screens with graphs showcase the predictive capabilities we rely on. Humans interact with high-tech environments where AI aids constant innovation. Typing hands show the seamless integration of humans and machines. Writing on digital screens highlights a transition to fully digital workflows. Robots writing on digital screens signify advanced AI collaboration. Blue optical fibers enhance data transmission speed, crucial for modern AI applications. Digital neural networks underpin today's AI brain structures and functions. Binary code tunnels represent the massive data streams powering AI systems. AI spheres display data abstraction, encapsulating complex artificial intelligence cores. Microchips pulse with energy, acting as the beating hearts of machines. Blockchain blocks exhibit cryptographic security, crucial in protecting AI systems. Information waves represent the fluidity and vastness of modern big data. Digital synapses mimic neural behavior in advancing machine learning algorithms. Holographic interfaces offer immersive experiences, expanding AI's reach into human contexts. Cloud computing networks are the backbone of contemporary digital storage systems. Robotic eyes indicate the emerging field of AI visual comprehension and interaction. Human and robot hand interactions depict evolving friendships and collaborations. Mechanical arms in factories illustrate automation's role in industrial efficiency. Delivery robots navigate smart cities, transforming logistics and urban mobility. Robotic fingers typing symbolize the shift towards automated, AI-driven tasks. Robots in standby mode recharge their energy stores for future activities. Drone swarms in futuristic cities enhance surveillance and autonomous operation. Robotic processes offer enhanced capabilities and are revolutionizing therapeutic applications. Assistant robots in homes provide everyday conveniences and smart interactions. Robotic silhouettes against futuristic horizons spark contemplation of AI's future. NVIDIA GPUs power gaming experiences and demanding AI applications alike. Motherboard cities illustrate the complexity of our digital and hardware infrastructure. Quantum computers redefine processing limits, ushering in unparalleled computational possibilities. Inserting CPUs is vital for hardware upgrades and optimizing computational efficiency. Server room aisles house essential data storage and processing infrastructures. Soldering microchips indicates the careful craftsmanship in electronic engineering. Silicon wafers are fundamental in chip manufacturing, enabling advanced digital technologies. Liquid cooling solutions manage heat in high-performance computing environments. Robotic assembly in smartphone manufacturing ensures precision and consistency. Hard disk drives remain a crucial component in data storage strategies. Perfect cabling in data centers showcases critical networking and organizational skills. 3D printing technologies revolutionize object creation and additive manufacturing processes. Virtual reality headsets offer captivating experiences and expanded digital interactions. Laser cutting enhances precision in industrial procedures and fabrication techniques. Futuristic eco-cities combine technology and sustainability for harmonious living environments. Cyberpunk cities at night capture our fascination with a future technological society. Smart homes integrate automation for increased convenience and control in modern life. Autonomous cars redefine travel, offering safety and efficiency for future journeys. Futuristic hospitals showcase medtech advancements and improved patient care standards. Augmented reality cities present data overlays enhancing interaction and connectivity. Solar farms produce green energy, highlighting commitment to renewable resource technologies. Future schools with holographic aids foster innovative approaches to digital learning. Will robots replace us? Comment your thoughts below and subscribe to NeuroVerse.